Ever watch your auto captions confidently turn auto sync into auto sync? Because somehow every caption tool, no matter the software, has the same special talent. Today, I'm showing you how to take your perfect pre-written script, throw it into your software, and force these captions to auto sync perfectly. No typos and zero headaches. Let's save you some hours. So, for this tutorial, we'll be using two softwares, Descript and basically any video editing software you use. And in case you don't know, Descript is an AI-powered all-in-one audio and video editing platform. I'll be leaving a link to Descript in the descriptions. Now, Descript is not at all a free software. It has pricing tiers, but if you are not one who creates very long videos, the free tier, which gives around 1 transcription hour per month, should be just enough. So once you have signed in or signed up for Descript, you'll be getting this interface up here. So what you need to do next is to go on New Project and select New Project. Now select a video project, and then it will open this interface for you. So this is where you are going to import your audio or your video, but basically audio files are much more smaller, so it will be much more easier to work with audio files instead of video files. So you go here, go down and select your audio wherever you kept it. This script would import it, and then it will analyze all of it, and then when it finishes analyzing it, it's going to transcribe the audio. So here is it, the transcription is complete, and this is the auto transcribed transcription created by this script itself. So in order for you to give it your own script and tell it to replace and sync your pre-written script with this, all you need to do is to go to this project option here, select it. It has created a composition here. So what you need to do is to go down to your audio here. You see your audio file down here. Click on these 3 dots here and then go down to replace. I mean, there are many things you can do with this script, but for this video, our focus will be on the replace option. So you can see under the replace option, you can see replace file and replace transcript. Now this replace file is for you to replace the audio, but replace transcript is to actually replace this transcript here with your pre-written and correct transcripts. So for this video, we'll be clicking on replace transcripts. And once you click replace transcript, it will give you this text box here. Now this text box is where you're going to paste your pre-written script or your correct script. So I have my own script here. I just need to copy it and then go back to the script and paste it here. For some reason, the sync button just disappears most times when you paste your script. Don't worry about how it looks here. Don't worry, this script will sort it out. So once you've pasted your script, all you need to do is to click the tab button on your keyboard, and it will lead you directly to the sync button down here. And then you click sync, and then the synchronization will start immediately. So right now, as you can see, is importing the script you just imported. Is importing it. It's going to take some time, probably maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, we are back. Now this script right now, the script here right now that is pasted here is not the same script as that script that was auto-transcribed by this script. This particular script is the correct script that I have, the pre-written script already. Now this script has replaced the auto-transcribed script with the original script that I gave to it. So that's how you do it. Basically, everything is synced up. So you can now export this transcript the way it is. Go up here to export and then select subtitles and then export it as an SRT file and then name it whatever I want to name it. I'll save it here in my downloads folder. So now we are back in Premiere Pro. I don't know what software you may be working in, probably CapCut or DaVinci or something, but I'm sure all of them do have the option of importing transcripts or importing captions. But for Premiere Pro, I'm going to be showing you how to do it if you are a Premiere Pro user. The transcript you just exported from Descript, all you need to do is to go on File and then Import and then find it, and here is mine, and just select it. Now once you've selected it, it's in here in your project files, it's in here. So all you need to do is to just drag it and drop it on the subtitle part of the software. So you just select your style or something and then select where you want it to start. So most of the time I select timeline start because that's where I transcribe the full audio. So I would like it to start from the beginning. So once I click timeline start and I click OK, it's going to put in my transcript. Now this transcript is the transcript I've given to this script, so there are no errors here. The words are synced exactly the way it's supposed to be. When you play it, you are going to see that everything goes the way it's supposed to be as the voiceover is moving.